Say
No. No.
Come on, all
That was
pathetic, all
random.
pathetic. Oh, I think that I found myself. She is always right there when I need. Why is this guy glitching out like crazy?
The guy just messaged me again. You're a pussy. You won't find me one-on-one though. I don't give a fuck.
This don't work. We're going to Black Ops.
No.
Black Cocks. How big is your dick?
Big
Oh, that's just 11 inches? Where? Outside, bitch! Where? Hashtag fuck me. Swear to God. I'm gonna die. Who good motherfucking dooba?
I think I'm good. Wait! Oh no! I'm somewhat scared. Oh god, I think I'm gonna blow up. Brandon! I'm in the floor! Bitch! What does it look like for me? For you?
You were on top of the thing.
Ah! Stop! That actually. Oh my god! If I swear. You know what? If you're gonna do that, take out the other tires too.
Cause I'm going on a trip in my favorite rocket ship.
Zooming through these nuts, little motherfuckers.
Yeah, I'm back.
No, stop! Come on, what do you do in the middle of the fucking night, man?
Why am I going back
Stop!
down?
Go! Go! Wait for me. It's gonna report stolen, and then you won't be able to get it.
Wait for you to drive it?
Yeah, because then it'll be reported stolen. Stop! Oh my god.
What? I'll give you a boost.
Hurry up. Left tire! Let's go! Come on! Left tire! I swear to God!
Well, that's the end of that guy. Ooh, did you see that?
What?
I just kicked that tire. Time to go pick up this.
Stop! I'm about to die anyway.